Hello and welcome to Redneck Foodtaster, where a stupid simple guy tries all kinds of food, so if it's bad, you don't have to. Today we have Arby's, and we have Arby's buffalo chicken sandwich. Ooh, pretty. Okay, we've got mayonnaise. We have a chicken in buffalo sauce. Good buffalo sauce. Tomatoes and lettuce, and doesn't look like there's any cheese on there. All right. And we also have, as a bonus, a new item, garlic Parmesan house-made chips. And it will be, of course, a potato chip. Smells good. I'm going to try the chicken first. All right. Messy. Okay, I'm waiting. There's the heat. Okay. They took their chicken and they dipped it in buffalo sauce. And that's all they did. Even so, it's a good chicken. Nice breading. Toppings are good. The mayonnaise adds a nice touch. The flavor's nice. A little bit of heat. Not excessive. Just a nice amount of spice. The bun's a bit bready. It's not very light and fluffy. It's kind of a heavier bun. I don't know. But it has a good flavor. If you like buffalo chicken, but you don't want too much heat, this is a very nice sandwich. Now let's try the chips. Okay. It's a homemade chip. Sliced potato, deep fried, of course. Flavor is very mild. There's not much garlic and there's not much Parmesan. It's a nice idea. No, it's not getting any better. I would say no. Curly fries are better. If you go to Arby's, get the curly fries. These aren't that great. All right. Well, the sandwich is a very nice sandwich. Tasty, a little bit of heat, good flavor. I give it 3.5 out of 5 beards. The chips are a meh. I mean, go in the store and just buy a bag of potato chips and it's better than this, I think, actually. The chips I'm only going to give 1.5 out of 5 beards. So that's too bad. I was kind of hoping that the chips would be better than that, but they're just not that great. So this is another Redneck Foodtaster. This is the Redneck Foodtaster signing off.
Yum 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 yum.